Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming today here in Slovenia. I present the Slovenian Maritime Administration, which commitment is to meet and control the training standards set by the International Maritime Organization and the STCW 95 Convention. In recognition of the importance of establishing uniform training standards, ships and environment safety at sea, our country, in collaboration with the Maritime Industry Association and Maritime Education and Training Institution, express their firm commitment to implement recognized standards that lead to uniform approaches in the control mechanism of seafarers' education and training, including the monitoring, assessment, approval and accreditation. The companies employed thousands of mariners who are increasingly required to upgrade their license and nautical knowledge. Maritime institutions must implement their program content efficiently and effectively in accordance with the STCW Convention in requirements and the contents of the IMO model courses. Simulators used for training or assessing competence are required to comply with provision contained in STC code, which is especially devoted to use of simulators. This conference is to improve the level of safety at sea worldwide, enhance the standards of maritime education and training. The trend in the maritime industry shows a dynamic demand for not just technologically equipped seafarers, but likewise for the soft-skilled and competent seafarers. All modern ICT learning assessment products and programs boast a progressive mix of skill, training, shipboard training, and academic studies like navigation training and maritime simulators. The phenomenal growth in the yacht industry has resulted in a global shortage of commercial skippers worldwide. The future prospect shall be an ICT learning or training center adhering to the values of integrity, credibility, and honesty. It shall promote the well-being of every seafarer and instill a healthy character of high competitive spirit. Thank you all for your coming and constructive participation in maritime education and training, and I wish you, everyone, all continued success and in proceeding this conference.